Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we are here to speak about these awesome budget fans from Amazon. It's up here and we have this package with 6 fans and that dongle where you put all of these fans. Also I have 7 fans in my build right now. It's this dongle with that 6 fans from up here, and also the case fan, and looks really awesome. These are the fans, but before to start this video I want to tell about my Twitch channel. We make live streamings each day there, so make sure you will follow me on Twitch. Now let's open the PC and this is the first look. You will see that 6 fans in position, and I will show you also the noise, because that is most important. I put that lavalier mic right in the case, so I will show you some samples. Also check the description down below, because you have my social medias, my Instagram, my Twitch, also my Discord server. If you want to join there, you are my guest, because we have almost 100 people there, and maybe you want to considering +1 there in that server. Enough with the talk, now let me show you each effect of this RGB fans. Are so awesome. And you have a switch, you can move around all these effects, and are a lot, man. And when I say a lot, I will let you to see all the light effects, and I will see you at the end of the video. Also, you can turn this light effects from the fans off if you press that switch button and keep it pressed for, I don't know, maybe 5 seconds, because you will see some blink once, and after that keep it pressed and you will see twice that blinked effect. Will be a white color and it's done. But you can see right now on the screen what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments below because I want to know what you think about these awesome fans. Till next time, don't forget, tips to know.